Attacking fuel prices, U.S. senators are preparing to debate offshore drilling.
Well, tonight the question remains, how do we manage current costs? We have 3 money-saving tips for you tonight. Larry Seaward has details.
In Brookside,
every little bit helps.
At the grocery,
it's not easy.
Shoppers think budget first.
Because gas is rising and might as well save where you can.
Dana Woodard and her fiance shop for savings with what seems like an unusual philosophy.
Definitely try to get the high, spend more.
The reason? Every $50 spent at Price Chopper earns 5 cents a gallon fuel discounts at Quick Trip.
That's been a real help.
In 6 months, Price Chopper officials boast they've discounted more than 13 million gallons of gasoline in the Kansas City area. Experts say such a program is one way to save.
Whatever's the cheapest. Got to go whatever the bank account can afford right now.
At this downtown Shell station, people are buying ethanol, E85.
It's cheaper. It runs cleaner.
It doesn't get quite as good as gas mileage. So like I said, if it's about 50 cents or cheaper a gallon, it kind of pays for itself.
John Solito's Flex Fuel SUV swallows ethanol with no problem. Bobby Allen had to buy a $350 conversion kit. It's an investment he expects to pay dividends. In fact,
I am actually building a still to make my own ethanol.
Experts say buying ethanol is a savings option, but some fear it's risky, so you may consider putting your car on a gas diet. Give it a certain amount of money weekly for fuel. When it's gone, walk or ride a bike. Always think budget first.
Now, that was Larry Seaward reporting. One challenge with using E85 is that it's not available everywhere. You can see a list of locations in our area. Just go to our website, NBCActionNews.com. Look right on our homepage.